Karnataka, Chikamagalore with big stream and waterfalls. Total 230-acre beautiful estate with well-maintaining Robusta, Arabic, coffee, pepper, arecanut, cardamom, forest trees, rosewood, jackfruits and many other trees. Tourist place, silent area, beautiful natural view around foggy and cool weather, gravity irrigation system, hydroelectricity, on transformer, pipeline, sprinkler, two-bedroom cottage, manager and supervisor quarters, labor house, drying yard, pulping unit, coffee fertilizer storeroom, two-pond stream water, road and other facilities suitable for resort, homestay, farm, tourism project purpose. Per acre 15 lakh, asking slightly negotiable. Thank you.